Dear learners, I welcome you all in our today's offline video lecture of class 11th information practices, and our today's topic is files and folders. We have already studied file and folders in our previous topics. Today we will add it more to give it more and more understanding of this topic. This topic is presented to you by Ankur Pandita, teacher BHSS Drugmala. Now let us start with folder. A folder is a collection of number of same files or different files. So a folder is a collection of number of same files or different files. It can store thousands of files. A folder can have another folder in it. The folder within a folder is called subfolder. Again, the subfolder may have various files and another subfolder. So a folder is a collection of number of same files or different files. It can store thousands of files. Folder has another folder in it which is known as subfolder. Again, the subfolder can have various files and another subfolder. Let us start working with files and folders. First, let us see how to create a file. First of all, we have to check our need, which file we have to create. If we want to create a document, we will create a MS Word file. If we want to create a drawing, we will create a Paint file. If we want to create a presentation, we will need to create a PowerPoint file. The most common way to create a file for any program is to start the program and create a new file from the program. For example, suppose we want to create a document for typing and writing something. Start MS Word. We will see a blank document. Start typing on the blank document. When we finish document, click file, click save as option or click save button present on the quick access toolbar. Save as dialog box appears on the screen and we can save the document by giving the name of our choice. Second, creating a new folder on the desktop. For creating a new folder on the desktop, we have to right click the mouse at some empty area of the desktop. We will see a pop-up menu. Next, we will click new option in the pop-up menu. After clicking new option, we will click folder option in the sub menu. A new folder, the name new folder with the name new folder will be created. Opening a file or folder. To open a file or folder, move the mouse pointer to that file or folder. Double click the file or folder. If we double click the file will be opened in the default program. If we double click the folder will open and show its contents to us. Renaming a file or folder. We can give any other name to our file or folder than it already has. Select the file or folder we want to rename. Right click on the selected file or folder. A shortcut menu appears on the screen. Click rename option from the list. Type the new name from our file or folder. Click the mouse out of the file or folder. The file or folder will be renamed. For creating files and folders, the most common way to create new files is by using a program. For example, if we want to create a text document, we need to open file in a word processing system. Some program create a file as you shown as open them. For example, when you open WordPad, it starts with a blank page. This represents an empty unsaved file. Start typing. So students, this is it from today's topic of part 2 of files and folders, in which we understood how to create a file, how to create a new folder, how to open a file or folder, how to rename a file or folder. Students, let's revise this topic till we come with more and more interesting topics related to your syllabus. Students, stay at home, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.